Hey guys, so I'm going to make my hair on my way to the salon. My dear, I'm making hair here. Hey, just don't convert. It's giving me hypertension. See, I had to blow dry my hair. I'm not even sure I did a good job, but I had to do it anyway because for any additional service they will charge you. Blow drying your hair, washing it, straightening it, any additional extra money. So I have to blow dry it. Anyhow, they should braid it like that. I'm doing human hair kinky braids. Like I'm using human hair to make the kinky because I don't wear braids except it's human hair. And it's not from a place of I am bougie. It's from a place of I have this massive headaches that anytime I use anything that is heavy, no matter how light you say the hair is, it will still give me headache. So do you get it? The only way I've seen around it is when I use something super light. In fact, when I use human hair to braid my hair, that is the only time that I don't have headaches. So the hair I even loosened was human hair. I'm going to do another human hair braids again, and I hope to carry it for 2 months this time. The last one I carried it for 6 weeks. This one is 2 months. The price to make the hair is still giving me heart attack, honestly speaking. And the funny part is that when I tell people that stay here how much they charge me, they keep saying it's affordable, and I'm wondering, $200 affordable? No way. But yeah, they charged me $200, but that's because she said, I told her I wanted it shoulder length, but when I looked at that hair, I think it's slightly longer than shoulder length, so I don't know if she'll charge me extra for that. And also the braids are really small, and honestly I look and think it's affordable because when I asked other braiders, a lot of them first of all said that they don't do micro braids, and in my head what I'm requesting for is not micro braids, but because the general population, so for some reason they always make bigger chunkier braids that the regular braids that we consider small in Nigeria, to them is micro. A lot of stylists, braiders don't even do it in the first place and the ones that do it are calling plenty money. So in the grand scheme of things, if you are looking at it Canadian standard, it doesn't seem to be really expensive. Or maybe I've not seen the more affordable places, but it doesn't seem to be really expensive. But compared to what I'm used to, my dear, it's expensive. $200 times, I think Canadian dollars is 47 something now. Let me just say 470. It's more than that. Let me say 470. So that's about 90 something thousand naira for kinky braids. Guy, think mo. Hey, will I survive in this country? Anyway, I'm going to braid the hair, and I'll show you what 90 something thousand naira hair looks like when I'm done. I mean, vlog there, The people that make the hair are actually Nigerians, like 2 Yoruba women. And when you enter that shop, you think of that salon, you think, why I call it shop is because it's like a shop slash salon. In fact, you think you're in Nigeria. You know how some Nigerian salons, one corner making hair, one corner they're selling something. That is how that place is. And you'll be hearing like typical Naija praise and worship song, and they just pick Yoruba from morning to night there. Legit, you think you're in Nigeria, and it just feels like everybody that comes there are Nigerian. Yes, some Jamaican, but most people that come there are Nigerians. So you'll be hearing, Alpha, this one, that's all you'll be hearing. You legit think that you are in Naija. Yeah, see it. The place. Yeah.